Copywriting is a career you can break into while you're working in a career you'd like to transition out of. You can build into a full-time career as a copywriter or learn how to earn a full-time income working part-time hours. If you are interested in people and human nature and how and why we make decisions, you can build on that interest, learn some copywriting skills, and make writing copy a second career. Copywriting 101. Copywriters learn how to understand what any group of people needs or wants, and then cleanly and clearly explain to them what products and services fill those needs and wants and why. It has way more to do with human psychology and behavior than you might imagine. Great copy never manipulates, rather it solves problems and provides solutions. Unlike other careers that take years of schooling and might require you to get into massive debt, you can start to build your copywriting skills by learning the fundamentals and practicing as you go. In-demand services. There are plenty of clients who are willing to work with novices as long as those novices are competent, capable, and willing to deliver. And as you work with clients and start to understand marketing and human motivation and where the two intersect, you'll find yourself becoming competent and capable and winning more assignments, and before you know it, you've created a career option that is rewarding, lucrative, and extremely flexible. And yes, anyone can learn to write copy. Writing copy is not writing the great American novel, though more power to you if you can do both. Writing copy is a much simpler skill to learn and perfect. And you're not at the mercy of a publisher to build a solid income. Your next career. If you enjoy writing or have ever dreamed of writing for a living, consider copywriting as a second career. It offers you the opportunity to tap into your creativity, help others, earn a great income, and have freedom and flexibility. I'm continually surprised by how many talented, smart people who would love a career change have no idea that copywriting is an easy profession to break into. Copywriting may be the last genuine profession that doesn't require an expensive accredited degree to even get people to consider hiring you, either in a job capacity or as a freelancer. I strongly consider looking into copywriting as your next career move. So, are you ready to get started with copywriting? Our in-depth online course, Mastering Direct Response Copywriting, is designed to give you everything you need to launch a new career, including running your own business. Visit us online, explore our program, and connect with our community. Thanks for watching. And if you found this helpful, then be sure to pass it on and support our channel by giving it a like and subscribing.